3B. Construct an angle. Number 1, 30 degree. Now we have to construct an angle with help of a protractor. Okay, so first of all we have to draw a ray. We will keep here end point. We will give this name A, B. So this is our protractor. This is a central point. Okay, and this line is a horizontal line. This will lie on ray AB. So we will keep on the point, central point on point A, and we have to see the down one scale. Okay, so first one is the 30 degrees. So we have to draw 30 degrees. So while 30 degrees coming here, so we have to make it point 30 degrees. Then we have to join it. We will give name here C. So this is the angle of 30 degree. Now number 2, 65 degree. So first of all we have to draw a line. Give this name D, E. So with the help of protractor, keep the central point on D and the horizontal line on the ray DE. Now we have to draw 65 degrees. So it will come between 60 and 70. So the big line is there between 60 and 70. That is the 65. So we have to point that and we have to join. So this is the angle of 65 degree. Now number 3rd, 90 degree. 90 degree means we have to draw a right angle. So first we will draw a line, midpoint, one end point this. We have to keep central point of the protractor on E and the horizontal line lie on the EF. 90 degree means straight it will come. 90 degree. So we have to make it a dot. Now we have to join. It is the angle of 90 degrees. Now number 4, 120 degree. So we have to first draw a line. We have to keep a central point of the protractor on point G and the horizontal line on the GE. We have to draw angle of 120 degree. So 120 degree here is there. So we will make it a point. Then we have to join. It is the angle of 120 degree. Now number 5, 145 degree. First we will make a line segment. Line, and with the help of protractor, central point on E and horizontal line on EF. We have to make a 145 degrees. So it will come between 140 and 150. We make a point here and we have to join. It is the angle of 145 degree. Now question number 4a, draw line segment. Number 1, 5.3 centimeter. Okay, we have to draw a line segment with help of scale. So we will keep a scale and we have to start from 0. So we will keep here dot. From 0 we will starting from 5, then almost there 5.3 means after 5 we have to count 3 small lines, 1, 2, 3. So till that we will give the name A, B. How much centimeter? 5.3 centimeter. Okay, now number 2, 3.8 centimeter. So with help of scale you have to start from 0 to 3, then 0.8 is there. We have to count till 5, then 6, 7, 8. Give the name CD. 3.8 centimeter. Now number 3, 6.5 centimeter. So with help of scale, starting from 0, then 6, then 0.5, between 6 and 7.5, so 6.5 centimeter. Then number 4, 8 centimeter. From 0 to 8. PQ, it is 8 centimeter. Now number 5, 4.6 centimeter. So with the help of scale, from starting from 0 to 4, then 0.5, then 6. .6 centimeter. This way students, you have to solve remaining sums. Okay, thank you.